Alright guys, I'm out here with the Protocol Dura VR. We're gonna spin up a little flight here, okay? Because I'm gonna probably wind up sending this out to somebody, so I just want to get another flight in with it before it goes adios amigo. Okay, so let's start some video. Okay, I guess that's working. Let's take off. Where are you going? Protocol. Get your ass over here. Let me land this thing. This thing is really like, wow. Okay, we'll keep the video running, but it was really, I'm trying to get the compass calibration. There's the trim and there's the high and low. Let's get it up in the third rate. Then we might have to do some trimming. We are. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it now. We got it all worked out. We turn that compass. Okay. I wanted to get the headless mode turned off. Okay, we got that. Okay. Okay, now it's going forward too much. Okay, it's got crappy trim. Or it's crappy drone operator. Tell you one thing, it likes to dive into the ground all the time. I think I noticed that with my other flight on it. I think I did notice that it likes to do that. See, as soon as you turn, it immediately wants to dive into the ground. It doesn't have any flips, unfortunately. I guess it actually, this thing came with a set of goggles, VR goggles. That's why it's called Dura VR. Let's just see if we can get some stable video out of it. But I sent the goggles to David, flying trucker, who actually I haven't seen for forever. But anyway, I sent the goggles for him to try out. So because I don't do that, you know, goggle crap unless I'm using my DJI goggles, which I never use. Here, let's get some video over this way. It flies okay. It's very stable if you can get the trim worked out, okay? I mean, it hovers, it doesn't bob around a lot. It'll stay at the one height, but the trim, you got to get the trim bugs out of it. And the altitude, whenever you just give it any kind of pitch at all, it just wants to dive right to the ground. So that's a bad thing, especially for somebody that's new. They're going to be confused when they're trying to fly it, like, why is it doing this? And, you know, look, see that? So I don't know, maybe I won't send it to somebody. Okay. Let me get over here. There's a little bit of wind here at my back. Let me get this building can block something. It flies okay. You just got to get used to the way that diving happens, you know. Okay, there goes the battery. Adios amigo battery. Let me get it back here close. Oh, the wind's really kicking up now. Let me stop the video before I land it. Okay, right in the sand. That's not good. Oh, shut up. Okay, didn't get in the motors, thank God. I remember, I'll never forget that time I landed that Hubsan 501 in the sand. Oh, I had to take that thing apart. Like, I couldn't tell you how many times to get all that sand out of there. It took forever. It took for absolute ever to get that sand out of there. Alright guys, there you go. Protocol Dura VR. It flies okay, it just has that bad pitch problem when you're turning, and it doesn't matter what rate it's in, it does it in all the rates. Okay, so even if it's in the low rate where it'll really turn slow, as soon as you give it pitch into the turn, it just wants to go straight into the ground. So I don't really like when they do that, so probably won't fly it no more. So that's probably it for me with that thing. I got other crap to do. Alright guys, there you go. Have a nice day.
Yeah.